Welcome to my How Toy Solve YouTube channel. Here I will see you how to fix the update not showing on Mac under the software update. I assume you close the app and retry to get a new software update under the system settings. Restart your Mac, and checking your Wi-Fi connection is a useful solution to check software updates on your Mac. Another important aspect of the getting problem with software updates in macOS is date and time are not correct. Let's check it under the system settings and set the date and time automatically. Under the system settings, click on General option. Select the date and time. Here's the toggle for time and date set to automatically. But time zone automatically is not selected. According to your current location, your Mac adjusts time and make it secure. Enable the toggle Set Time Zone automatically using your current location. Verify using your Touch ID fingerprint or enter your Mac login password to verify. Another setting you have to enable from system settings is location service is turned off. Open privacy settings and enable the location service toggle. Use Touch ID or password to verify and enable location service on Mac. Again, move to date and time settings under the general option in system settings, and enable the toggle to set the time zone automatically using your current location. That's it. Now you may change the time zone according to your location and make it secure and able to receive new macOS software update. Start to download and install new macOS on your Mac. That's it.